What's up, everybody? Who doesn't love saving money? Why not get something back when we spend it? Cashback and rewards programs are like a secret weapon in your wallet. Imagine earning a little something back with every swipe. It's like getting a mini bonus for living your life. Trust me, it's not complicated, it's easy and rewarding. Put real money back into your pocket. Save for a house, invest, or treat yourself. Ready to stop leaving money on the table? Stick around. Let's start with the basics, cashback. In the simplest terms, cashback is exactly what it sounds like, getting cash back on your purchases. Think of it as a discount that you get after you buy something. Instead of getting money off at the register, you earn a percentage of your spending back, usually in the form of points, miles, or actual cash. There are a ton of different cashback programs out there, each with its own set of rules and rewards. Some programs are offered directly by credit card companies, while others are run by independent companies that partner with various retailers. But the general idea is the same. You spend money, you earn rewards. Now you might be wondering, why would companies just give me free money? Well, it's all about incentivizing you to spend money with them. By offering cashback and rewards, companies are hoping to attract new customers and encourage existing customers to stay loyal. And let's be honest, it works. We all love a good deal, and the prospect of earning something back on our purchases is a powerful motivator. So, not only are you getting money back, but you're also helping businesses grow. It's a win-win situation. There are a few different flavors of cashback programs to be aware of. First up, we've got credit card rewards programs. These are probably the most common type of cashback program, and they're usually tied to your credit card. You earn points, miles, or cash back on every purchase you make with your card, and the rewards can really add up over time, especially if you're strategic about your spending. Next, we've got cashback websites and apps. These platforms act as middlemen between you and your favorite online retailers. You click through their links to make your purchases, and they track your spending and give you a percentage back as cashback. It's a super easy way to earn rewards on your online shopping without having to change your spending habits too much. And finally, we've got loyalty programs. These are typically offered by specific retailers or groups of retailers. You sign up for a free account, and then you earn points or rewards every time you shop with them. These programs can be a great way to save money at your favorite stores, especially if you're a frequent shopper. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of cashback and rewards programs, let's talk about the basic requirements. Don't worry, it's nothing too crazy. First and foremost, you're going to need a smartphone and a reliable internet connection. This is because most cashback programs these days are managed online or through mobile apps. You'll need to be able to create accounts, track your rewards, and redeem your earnings, all of which usually require internet access. Luckily, most of us are already glued to our phones anyway, so this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but seriously, having a smartphone and internet access is pretty much non-negotiable in today's digital age, and cashback programs are no exception, so if you're still rocking a flip phone and relying on dial-up internet, now might be the time to upgrade. Next up, you're going to need a valid payment method. This could be a credit card, debit card, or even a prepaid card, depending on the program. Obviously, you need a way to pay for your purchases in order to earn cash back, so having a payment method is a must. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, should I use a credit card or a debit card? And that's a great question. Credit cards often come with more lucrative rewards programs, but they also come with the risk of overspending if you're not careful. Debit cards, on the other hand, are directly linked to your bank account, so you can only spend what you have. Ultimately, the best payment method for you will depend on your individual financial situation and spending habits. Just remember, the goal here is to save money, not get into debt. So choose a payment method that you're comfortable with and that aligns with your financial goals. Ready to start earning free money back on your purchases? Choose the right cashback program for your spending habits. Each program has its own perks, rates, and redemption options. Popular choices include Rakuten, Honey, and Capital One Shopping. Not all cashback programs are created equal. Some are better for online shopping, others for in-store. Think about where you spend most of your money. Look for high cashback rates at your go-to stores. Prefer cashback? Ensure the program offers direct deposit. Sign up for multiple programs to maximize earnings. Okay, so you've done your research and picked out a cashback program. Now it's time to sign up. Most platforms make this super easy. Usually all you need is an email address, password, and maybe some basic information like your name and birthday. Some might even let you sign up with your existing Google or Facebook account for ultimate convenience. Once you're in, take a few minutes to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the layout, cashback rates, and any special offers or bonus categories. Look for a section that lists featured stores or current promotions. This is where you can often snag some sweet deals and boosted cashback rates. Trust me, those extra percentage points add up over time. Next, install the browser extension if the program offers one. This handy tool automatically notifies you of cashback opportunities and coupons while you browse online. No more missing out on savings because you forgot to click through a cashback portal. It's like having a personal shopping assistant reminding you to save money. Finally, link your preferred payment method if you plan on earning cashback for in-store purchases. This could be a credit card, debit card, or even a linked bank account. The specific process varies depending on the program, but they usually walk you through it step by step. Let's walk through signing up and earning cashback with Rakuten. Head over to Rakuten.com and click Join Now. Create a free account using email, Google, or Facebook. You'll likely get a sign-up bonus, which is free money. Explore the Rakuten dashboard and search for stores. Check featured stores and their cashback rates. Let's say you want to buy a new pair of headphones, and you've had your eye on a specific model from Bose. Instead of going directly to the Bose website, type Bose into the Rakuten search bar. You'll see the current cashback rate for Bose, which could be anywhere from 2% to 10% or even higher, depending on any ongoing promotions. Once you click on the offer, you'll be redirected to the Bose website through a special Rakuten link. This link tracks your purchase and ensures you receive your cashback. From here, you can shop on the Bose website just like you normally would, adding the headphones to your cart and proceeding to checkout. After you complete your purchase, Rakuten will send you a confirmation email letting you know they've tracked your order and will credit your account with the cashback you've earned. This usually happens within a few days, but it can sometimes take a bit longer depending on the retailer's return policy. Now comes the fun part, getting your cash back. Rakuten pays out quarterly, meaning you'll receive your accumulated cashback earnings every 3 months, as long as you've earned at least $5.01. You can choose to receive your cash back via check or PayPal, whichever is more convenient for you. Alright, so you're earning cash back and loving it. But wouldn't it be even better if you could maximize your earnings and really rake in the rewards? One of the best ways to maximize your cash back is to stack it with other rewards programs. Start with a credit card that offers cashback on all purchases. Then, layer on a cashback website like Rakuten or Honey. Combine these with store loyalty programs to triple dip on savings. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to maximizing your cashback earnings. Many cashback programs offer increased rates or bonus categories throughout the year, so it pays to plan your purchases accordingly. For example, you might find that travel websites offer higher cashback rates during the summer months, while department stores offer bigger bonuses during the holiday season. Keep an eye out for special shopping events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Amazon Prime Day, as these are prime times to score massive cashback rewards. Cashback websites and retailers often run limited-time promotions during these events, so you can maximize your savings on big-ticket items like electronics, appliances, and travel. Speaking of bonus categories, many cashback credit cards offer rotating categories that give you higher cashback rates on certain types of purchases each quarter. For example, you might earn 5% back on groceries for one quarter and then 5% back on gas stations the next. By using the right card for the right purchase, you can seriously boost your cashback earnings. And finally, don't forget to refer your friends and family to your favorite cashback programs. Many programs offer referral bonuses, so you can earn even more cashback just by spreading the word. It's a win-win situation. Your friends and family save money, and you get rewarded for it. So you've been diligently using your cashback apps and credit cards, but when you go to check your rewards balance, something's not right. You're missing cashback. Don't panic. This happens more often than you think, and it's usually an easy fix. The first thing you should check is whether you followed all the terms and conditions of the offer. Did you click through the right portal? Did you buy the eligible items? Were there any special requirements you needed to meet? Sometimes, cashback can take a little while to show up in your account. Most programs have a pending period where they verify your purchases, and this can range from a few days to a few weeks. If it's been longer than the stated time frame, then it's time to reach out to customer support. Remember, patience is key. Most cashback issues are easily resolved, and the customer support teams are usually very helpful. Don't let a little hiccup discourage you from earning free money. Before you contact support, make sure you gather all the necessary information, like your account details, the date of the purchase, and the retailer's name. This will help them assist you more efficiently. Remember, the squeaky wheel gets the grease, so don't be afraid to follow up if you don't hear back within a reasonable time. There's nothing more frustrating than trying to redeem your hard-earned cash back only to have your request declined. But before you start writing angry emails, take a deep breath and let's troubleshoot this together. First things first, double-check that your rewards balance is sufficient for the redemption you're trying to make. Sometimes we get a little ahead of ourselves and forget to factor in pending rewards or minimum redemption thresholds. Next, ensure that your account information is up to date. This includes your payment details, email address, and any other relevant information. An outdated address, for example, could be the reason your gift card is lost in the mail. Speaking of gift cards, if you're experiencing issues redeeming for a specific retailer, check their terms and conditions. There might be restrictions on how and when you can use the gift card, or it might be expired. Lastly, and I can't stress this enough, always read the fine print. Cashback programs often have specific rules and limitations, and not being aware of them can lead to declined rewards. Familiarize yourself with these terms to avoid any surprises down the line. Let's recap the awesome benefits of cashback and rewards programs. First off, free money. Who doesn't love getting paid to shop? It's like finding extra cash in your pocket. Second, you can stack those rewards. Imagine combining cashback with coupons and sales. You'll be a master of discounts. Third, cashback programs often come with extra perks. Think free trials, exclusive discounts, and even birthday gifts. It's like having a VIP pass to savings. And finally, these programs are super easy to use. Just sign up, shop like you normally do, and watch the rewards roll in. Now let's quickly go over the key steps to unlock these savings. It all starts with choosing the right program for you. Do your research, compare rewards rates, and find one that aligns with your spending habits. Once you've found your match, sign up. It's usually a quick and painless process. Just provide some basic information, link your preferred payment method, and boom, you're in. With your account all set up, it's time to start shopping and earning those rewards. Browse your favorite online stores or make purchases at participating retailers. Remember to use the program's portal or activate offers to ensure you're getting those cashback credits. Keep an eye out for bonus cashback opportunities. Many programs offer higher rewards rates on certain categories or during promotional periods. Take advantage of these limited time offers to maximize your earnings. Once you've accumulated a decent amount of cashback, it's time to cash out. Most programs offer various redemption options, like gift cards, direct deposit, or even statement credits. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enjoy your well-deserved rewards. Remember, using cashback programs is all about being smart with your spending. By incorporating these simple strategies into your shopping routine, you can effortlessly earn money back on your everyday purchases. Alright guys, now that you're cashback experts, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Don't miss out on free money. Sign up for a cashback program today and start earning rewards on your purchases. Remember, every dollar counts. Those small cashback amounts can really add up over time, helping you save for a down payment, pay off debt faster, or even treat yourself to something special. Think of it this way. If you're already making these purchases anyway, why not get rewarded for it? It's a no-brainer. Plus, with so many different programs available, there's bound to be one that perfectly fits your needs and spending habits. I'm curious, what cashback programs are you already using? Share your experiences and favorite programs in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy shoppers who are all about maximizing their savings. And hey, if you're hungry for more money-saving tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm constantly sharing new strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, taking control of your finances doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this one.